Hello friends! Now we will learn how to use the join method in Java programming. This method helps us combine multiple strings into one. So let's say we have several words. I will separate it. I love programming. I love Python programming, for example. So I come here, I define string word1 equals to I. And then I put my semicolon, I copy these, I come here, I paste it several times, and then I say I love Python programming. Python programming. So it's my word 2, it's my word 3, so it's my word 4. Now we use the join method like this. I come here, I assign to the result variable. So string result equals to, and then I will use this join method. I say string.join. First I give delimiter, which separates the words. So in this case we use a space. I just come here, I say just empty space. So each word will be separated by a space. So after joining the words, we print the result. But what I need to do, I need to give word 1, word 2, word 3, word 4. So I come here, word 1, word 2, and then word 3, and then word 4. So I combine these two words, I separate it by an empty space. Alright, so let's print this result. I come here, I say system.out.println, and then I give the result. So let's run my program. I run it, you see, I love programming, Python programming. You can change this delimiter anything you like. For example, if I want to separate with this, I just put this and then I run again. You see, I separated my words and I use this operator between each of them. Alright, so the join method helps us combine multiple strings and we can choose what goes between the words, I mean the delimiter. It's simple, powerful and very useful. See you in the next lesson.